Hello, this is Christian with MISO BIM. This tutorial topic is on the view range. This course is considered beginner level. You will learn how to use the view range settings in a plan view. The view range is a group of parameters that control exactly what you see in a plan view. To open the view range control panel, make sure you have a plan view activated and hover over to the properties palette. Scroll down until you see the view range option and select edit. The view range panel will then appear. There are 4 main settings that you can change, and each one of these has an associated offset parameter, making a total of 8 variables. The settings to the left allow you to associate the horizontal planes to a level. Selecting OK saves any changes and closes out of the view range panel. Selecting Apply will save any changes and update the plan view, but the view range panel will still be open. Changes will be saved even if you select Cancel. Editing the settings and selecting Cancel will not save any change you made and will close out of the view range panel. Selecting the Show button will display an elevation diagram labeling all the horizontal planes of the view range. I'll be using my own elevation diagram to explain the settings. Since I am on the plan view of level 1, the default settings for the horizontal planes are all associated to level 1. To the right is the offset setting, where I can input a positive or negative offset from the corresponding level. You'll get errors if you try to set certain planes past the cut and bottom planes. For example, you can set the top plane at the same offset of the cut plane, but if you try to set it at a lower height than the cut plane, you will get an error. This also occurs if you try to set your view depth offset above the bottom plane. Just select Close and change the settings. The top and bottom clip planes represent the topmost and bottommost portion of the view range. The cut plane is a plane that determines at what height certain elements in the view are shown cut. Any model elements that are being intersected by this plane are displayed with the cut line weight of the element category. When the element category does not have a cut line weight, the category is then shown with the projection line weight. This includes certain individual non-cuttable families such as furniture, special equipment, and plumbing fixtures. Walls that are less than 6 feet are also not cut, even if they intersect the cut plane. Objects above the cut plane and below the top plane will not show unless they are windows, generic models, or casework families. By default, they are drawn using their project line weight, but this can be changed inside the family settings. These 3 planes define the primary range of the view range. The view depth is an additional plane outside of the primary range. You can set the level of the view depth to show elements below the bottom clip plane. By default, the view depth is aligned with the bottom. You will learn more about the view depth in an intermediate tutorial. That concludes our beginner course on the view range. Thanks for watching.